Hello everyone, my name is Ginayat Jarespek. I am 21 years old. I graduated from the Kazakh University of International Relationships and World Languages. Now I work as an English teacher at the secondary school named after Altsarin in the Jebekjolo village. In this video, I'll tell you why I became a teacher and how the day of teacher is going. Let's go. At 8 o'clock, my working day starts. I always try to be a wonderful mood and want to share this mood with the children. So, when I start a lesson, I always wish them to spend the day in a great mood. When I go through the lesson, I want to be in the same rhythm with the children. It's very important to find an approach to each student and enter the learning process. During the day, I work with the different children. They have very different views, opinions, and characters. And it's very interesting when you work with these children. To be a teacher is to be a universal person. You teach them something new and interesting. I'm very happy when they show the result of your training and love your subject. In addition to teaching, I participate in school activities and social works. It helps me to be sociable and to fully feel the whole work at the school. In my free time at school, I'm learning play dombra. Also, I like to read books. I am looking for new materials for the lesson, because the teacher should always be on the lookout for something new. I am a young specialist, so in our school there are teachers who help me with advice and experience. We are discussing the educational process and I get a lot of help from them. So, why I became a teacher? Being teacher is a responsible job because we educate our country's future. There is no bad student, but there is a bad teacher. So every teacher should be responsible for their job. Since childhood, I dreamed of being teacher. So I want to enjoy every day of my life. I have chosen to be a teacher, and I believe that there is much more to come. I wish all teachers success and happiness. Good luck!